Once upon a time, in a city teeming with life, surrounded by the might of towering structures and the prospect of limitless opportunities, lived a young woman, Jane. Jane was successful in her profession and was surrounded by a loving family and friends who cherished her. But under that ideal exterior, she concealed something that ate into her joy, making her feel adrift and detached. She was in pain, tormented by the unforgiving hold of a condition that left her feeling low and worried. In the quiet space, she made a choice: to march towards recovery. The choice wasn't simple. Standing at the precipice, ready to leap into the unknown, she understood what she had to do. Thus, she embarked on a journey of self-discovery and healing. A journey that held the potential to reshape her existence in manners beyond her wildest dreams. It began with her acknowledging her internal conflicts. Taking a deep, introspective look at herself, she accepted her state of discomfort. The first step towards healing was her acceptance. The sensation was akin to unveiling a gateway that guided towards illumination and optimism. Next, assistance was sought. She began to visit a place where she explored the intricate tangles of her feelings. She unraveled the understanding that vulnerability is acceptable, that reaching out is permissible. The place equipped her with strategies to handle her stress and low spirits. Embracing the power of mindfulness became a part of daily routine, with meditation focused on breath, thoughts, and feelings. This practice helped in staying grounded, connecting with the inner self, and finding peace amidst the chaos. There were days when giving up felt like the easier option, when the mountain seemed too steep to climb, but perseverance guided the unwavering spirit, and the love of those around came handy. Practicing gratitude became part of the routine. Each night before the quiet embrace of sleep, 3 things to be thankful for were inscribed. This humble act of appreciation ushered an aura of positivity. Even in the face of adversity, it illuminated the abundance of blessings around. Physical activity became a cornerstone of the healing journey. Morning runs became a staple. The physical exertion served as a conduit for her to release suppressed emotions and stress. The sensation of vitality and strength was all-consuming. Discovered comfort in the presence of those close to her. Investing more time in her relationships with family and friends became a priority. Their affection and backing proved essential in her recovery journey. They served as her unwavering support system, her glimmering light of optimism. Another aspect that Jane focused on was nutrition. Starting to consume a balanced diet, which included a wealth of fruits, vegetables, and she noticed the improvement in her physical and mental health. The activity of journaling also found its way into Jane's routine. Writing about feelings, fears, and dreams proved to be therapeutic and allowed for a better understanding of emotions and healing. Lastly, the process of self-acceptance took place. The habit of self-blaming for struggles was put to an end, starting to treat oneself with love and compassion. The realization came that it was okay to not be okay, that it was entirely fine to make the journey of healing carried 10 invaluable life lessons. Acknowledging her struggles, seeking professional help, practicing mindfulness, gratitude, and exercise, spending time with loved ones, focusing on nutrition, journaling, and being kind to herself. Today she stands tall, not as a victim, but as someone who fought her battles with courage and grace. Someone who turned her struggles into strength. Someone who found healing in the midst of chaos. It reminds us that healing is a journey, one that requires courage, resilience, and above all, hope. It underscores the importance of a positive mindset, a balanced lifestyle, and a strong community in the healing process. And it all started with that one step, that one decision to embark on a journey of self-discovery and healing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find it helpful in your journey. Please like and subscribe to our channel.